24 hours to go for the second phase of Lok Sabha elections. Prime Minister Modi has made a big charge. He's claiming that it appears that the opposition bloc, the India bloc, may have a rotational Prime Minister plan, and that it could be a one-year, one Prime Minister plan. If that is the formula, then it's absolutely scary. That while I'm working for the first 100 days of work vision, that the opposition bloc has decided to not even field a PM face yet. Now, Modi slammed the opposition. What he says is an alleged proposal introducing a rotational PM. Now, he's saying that that the opposition is going to auction the PM's chair. He's called the proposal a daydream of leaders. Modi has said while he has been working on the first 100 days, opposition hasn't decided on the PM face. Remember, for now, no Congress leader, opposition leader has said it. Prime Minister Modi says it looks like they do have this formula.
ये लोग तो बता दिए भाई मोदी है, बताओ आपको देना है तो ये मोदी है, दीजिए। कहा कि नहीं कहा? आपके सामने नाम है ना, दूसरी तरफ नाम ही नहीं है। इतना बड़ा देश किसको देना, इसका देश को पता होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए? जरा बोलो ना, पता होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए? आपको पता है वो किसको देना चाहते हैं? पता है किसी को? इसका जवाब ढूंढ रहे थे, जवाब मिल नहीं रहा था। लेकिन अभी कुछ मीडिया रिपोर्ट में आया है कि मोदी बार बार पूछ रहा है कि भाई बताओ तुम्हारा नेता कौन, किसको सुपुर्द करे। तो बोलते हैं उन्होंने फॉर्मूला बनाई है, उन्होंने फॉर्मूला बनाई है कि कौन प्रधानमंत्री बनेगा। कहा जा रहा है कि ये लोग 1 ईयर 1 PM फॉर्मूला बना रहे हैं, यानी 1 साल 1 PM, दूसरे साल दूसरा PM, तीसरे साल तीसरा PM, चौथे साल चौथा PM, 5वें साल 5वां PM। बताओ भाई क्या होगा देश का? ये मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने कहावत कह करके सो जाने वाला मुद्दा नहीं है।
I want to now bring in India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal for the latest on that. Aishwarya, this is very interesting because till this right now he was charging at the Congress manifesto. Now he's saying that it looks like they have this rotational Prime Minister formula. Now, interestingly, I don't see the Congress party or the opposition leaders charging at Prime Minister Modi over this, asking when and where was this said. They've gone completely quiet over it. What are you hearing right now with the second phase now 24 hours away? Yes.
That Prime Minister has been doing is that he's making sure that 360-degree attack on the opposition party. Earlier, he started with the Congress party speaking about how their manifesto is dangerous for the people. And now he's saying that all these opposition parties, because they cannot come up with one face, what they will actually try to do is make sure that all of them sit on the hot seat. And this is exactly what, we are seeing other BJP leaders also doing. We might see some kind of reaction coming in from parties here, but also from what we know at the moment, it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who's now making sure that he targets them and tells the people what exactly will be the damage, because wherever he's going, Pooja, across the place, he's saying that if you vote for those people, it will be wrong for you, and you only need to vote for one person, that is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Modi ki guarantee, Pooja, has been the war cry for the BJP.